Hey, what is up guys? While there's so many tutorials on how you can overclock your computer CPU, there's barely anything on how to actually overclock your clock itself. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can overclock an alarm clock specifically. This is actually pretty useful because it can lead to more accurate timekeeping, and it can also lead to a louder alarm. It just makes your alarm clock function a lot better. So let's get this tutorial started. Let's boost the performance of this alarm clock. So this trick should work with any alarm clock to boost its performance. So the first thing you'll need is of course your alarm clock. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have to unplug it. Just take it off. And the alarm clock is unplugged. So what you're going to do now is you're going to use any sharp tool like a pencil or screwdriver and slowly touch the reset button. You don't want to actually push it in hard or it'll end up actually resetting your alarm clock. So just touch it gently. So while your pencil is still inside, what you're going to do is you're going to plug the alarm clock back in while holding all the buttons it has. So here I am holding all the buttons, and at the same time I'm going to switch it on. So while your pencil is still inside, what you're going to do is you're going to plug the alarm clock back in while holding all the buttons it has. So here I am holding all the buttons, and at the same time I'm going to switch it on. Now that I've done all those tricks and done some slight remodifications to the circuitry, which you don't have to do but will make the overclocking work even better, here I am, the alarm clock up and running, even more powerful. Now the timekeeping is more accurate and my alarms will ring louder, and it will definitely wake me up in the morning and I'll have no problems waking up again. In the overclock mode, you'll even have an option to change the frequency. You can increase it slightly. You can increase it slightly to make the power even more effective, but this only works up to a limit. And you can't do this up to a very big value. That's the only disadvantage. It only goes up to 199, and then more than that you can't do. So if you want to get the maximum overclocking power out of it, feel free to just adjust it and then done. Now here you have it. You guys have finally learned a small but easy way you can make any alarm clock work more efficiently. With just few buttons and some small modifications, you can make your alarm clock more accurate and more powerful. This is something small but it's actually pretty useful for some people, and I just wanted to share it in this video. Anyway guys, I hope this really helped. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Have a good one.